Good afternoon everyone. So it's been a long time since I've done a vlog. Just been so busy. We've been out over the summer, gardening, work is so busy at the minute, but I've had time to sort out this thing, get the hot tub back on, and I've done it cheap. So as you all know, it's been we've been in an energy crisis for quite some time now, and I would probably say the majority of people that I know that have got an hot tub have not actually been running them for the last 12 months, 18 months. In fact, this one was emptied 18 months ago, but Alison's been dying to get back into it again. So I started hunting around to see how I could actually get it cheaper to run. First instance was get it running off our solar, but it's just too powerful. It's like 3 kilowatts constant running, which was costing me like 50 quid a week. Some weeks you didn't go in it, so you just felt that you just wasted your money. So I started searching around and looking about a lot of the forums, and I found a perfect way of actually getting the hot tub running cheaper. So basically what we've done, we bought this little gadget here, 36 kilowatts Calagas heater. It runs 18 litres a minute, and it's just like the ones that all the van life guys are running. Stick one on the back of the van. It's actually an outdoor shower, but with a difference. What we've basically done, we've got ourselves 3,500 little submersible pump. Basically that just runs off a smart plug, so as soon as that kicks in, all it does is send some water down these pipes on a pressure relief valve, pulls the Calagas in, heats up. So simple. So all it's doing is circulating the water in and around the hot tub. I've still got my circulation pump running in the hot tub as well, obviously, because that keeps the filters running, but that's running at about just under 400 watts. You can see the bubbles in there now, but I can get this temperature raised probably 4 degrees C every 20 minutes. That is an amount that, you know, it's just such a quick way of heating it. With the weather as it's been, we need to get this at about 39 degrees for the evenings, just to get it just nice and toasty, just like your bath at home. And that's how we've done it. So it's really simple. So all I do, just get the old app and just turn it on and off from there. There you go, she's just stopped there, and just fire the app up again. So I can do this from work. It runs at a 20-minute interval, obviously for safety reasons, but even there now it's like 69 degrees C going in. Obviously these can get quite warm, that one especially, because that's the output, that's the inlet. And through the night, obviously to stop it icing over, because we've had quite a few icy nights, cold nights should I say, I just leave the pump circulating. So it circulates, goes for 20 minutes, the heater actually cuts out, but it actually keeps the circulation going, so the heater matrix in there won't freeze up. I've just bolted it to the side of a shed, made this little aluminium guard, stop me burning my shed down. It's actually quite covered in as well. It's quite a slim little thing. What I shall do over the winter, I'll hang some sort of canopy over it. It'll run off propane and butane. Obviously propane is better for the winter, because I think that goes down to something like -18 before it freezes in the regulator, which I've seen before. Butane, that'll freeze at 0, so once the temperatures get a little bit lower, I shan't bother running it off the blue gas. But probably some of you know that I am a Cala dealer. Okay, I do get the bottles a little bit cheaper, but nevertheless we get quite a few bottles that come back part full, and I end up chucking them back on the wagon and giving them back to Calagas. But now I circulate them, so anybody brings a gas bottle back that's got a few kilos of gas in it, it ends up here, and I'll just burn it off and it's free energy then, so you can't beat that. But yeah, there we go. So if you want to know any more about it, just give us a shout. I'm not quite finished down here. I've run out of speed fits 90s to get it back in, so this yellow pipe here, ignore that, it'll be nice and tidy. In fact, while we're just looking at it, you can see the circulation here. There you go. Doesn't take a lot, but believe you me, at 69 degrees going in, it doesn't take too long to heat up. In fact, you can barely touch this, but this is rated to about 96 degrees C, so that's fine. And all you do, just flick that out of the way when you get in, turn the pump off, and away you go. So anyway, we're going to jump in it in a bit later when it gets a bit darker and colder, and we'll let you know what it's like. So the cost of this heater from Amazon, I will leave a link down below. £134, and the pump was £38.95, and again I'll leave a link down below. All you need then, obviously, you need your gas bottle, which you've probably already got somewhere on your camper van, some speed fit hose if you want to do it that way. For the last month or so I've actually been running it off just yellow standard garden hose. Works a treat, but the problem was I was tripping over it down here, which is no good for anybody. So there you go. Well, there you have it. One hot tub, 36.5 degrees, and it's freezing temperatures outside. What more can you do? All for pretty much free heat, or the cheapest heat anyway. Well, it looks like it's getting out time because the glasses are empty. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and give us a like and maybe a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.